actually going to, I just feel that you can tell the love, because imagine Hindi film industry doesn't have a sweetie or a darling at all. I think we also, our stars should also start giving in themselves these names, because it would just lead to the camaraderie. Very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like the producers to definitely have the final word, because I think without their support, like I said right at the start of this evening, that it takes a lot of courage for people to put their lives and their economics on this kind of vision. And I think no director is complete without the support of a producer. Shobhu, as I said, was the first gentleman I met after Rana on Bahubali. And thank you, Shobhu. And I'd like for you to just share your experience.
Hello, everyone. First of all, thanks, Karan, for having us here and presenting the film. With regards to Bahubali, last 3-4 years have been, for me, nothing but Bahubali. I've been completely involved with the project, and it's been day and night with it. And when you're working with some very passionate people and some very committed people, like Rajamouli and the rest of the team and rest of the cast, it's really a joy, and it's a pleasure to be working, and we've learned so much in the entire thing. And I think, and I hope this project will be a good success. Thank you.
Shobhu se mera sawal.
And Prasad, please say something. Say hello.
I'd like to thank Karan, Anil and the team at Dharma for presenting the film. And we need your support to take this film national. Thank you.
And Anil would like to sing a song now, right at the end.
From Student of the Year?
Yeah, from Student number 1.
It's always been amazing working with Karan, and now it's been even a better privilege to be working with Rajamouli and Prasad and Shobhu. So thanks for this opportunity, and I hope your vision and the success that you've thought of comes true.
Well, thank you. I'd like to thank everybody here. We're going to call this now, we're going to come to a close for this evening. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've come in such large numbers, and I know you've come because you believe in cinema more than anything else, and I think that's what we're all here for. We're here really to push the envelope when it comes to cinema. So thank you for joining us, and thank you, sir. Thank you, Rajamouli, sir. Thank you for being a part of cinema and for making us all feel so proud today. Thank you very much.
Can I ask one question from Prabhas? One question from Prabhas.
You're saying so sweetly, ask that one last.
Please.
If you call him darling, then only.
Okay, he's like my son. I can call him darling.
Okay.
Karan,
Okay,
please.
Prabhas.
Karan, one more question to Prabhas, please. Karan,
After me.
After me. Yes, after her.
Okay, Prabhas, since he's the presenter, Karan is the presenter of the film, and has he promised you a role? And also, does this mean to say that you are ready to give a tough competition to all the other Bollywood heroes and saying that Prabhas is here? Comment.
No, I didn't think so much like tough competition. Well, that's too much now. And what was the other question you asked? No. He didn't promise me anything. Thank you.
Okay, I'm here. One question to, anyhow he's holding the mic, one question to Prabhas. Please, I'm Prema from TV5 again. Prabhas and Bhallala Deva and Bahubali. I just have one question to both of you. 3 years you spent your time on Bahubali. And was it really a pressure on your head? Did at any point of time you felt that, oh God, can we continue like this for some more years? And was it possible, or somewhere you felt it was not possible?
Yeah, like maybe they shot with me in 380 or 50, I don't know. They shot with me more than nearly 300 days. After 250 days, I really got frustrated. Now I was like, Raj, I want to say, I didn't tell him, but I was like, Raj, now it's enough. We'll see, we'll watch the film. Whatever it's done, just show it. Yeah, one second.
Well, the first time he told me the story, and I knew I had to give a large part of time, and I was not the hero of the film also. But then one thing I knew was this is the largest thing in cinema that I'd ever be part of, and I didn't know if anyone will ever make a film like this again. So which is why every day was a pleasure.
मैं बस हे भगवान कह के मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूँ सबसे, मुझे शुद्धि के बारे में पूछना बंद करो. पता नहीं किस किस्म का नजर लग चुका है उस फिल्म पे, वो पिक्चर बनी ही नहीं क्योंकि ये सवाल का जवाब दे दे के मैं थक चुका. आप लोग थकते नहीं क्या? जब शुद्धि का मैं पोस्टर अनाउंस करूंगा ना, तब उसके बारे में बात होगी. मैं स्पेशली आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ पोस्टर डिजाइन टू शो कि एक्चुअली इट्स अ रियलिटी एंड इट्स नॉट अ मिथ. थैंक यू वेरी मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.
Characters of Bahubali, Ballal Deva, Sivagami, Kattappa, all these characters came just few years ago. But the world of larger than life characters, larger than life emotions, larger than life environments, everything, I have been living in that world for